Happy Sunday, guys. What's up, my beautiful people? I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today, say your grace, babes. That's it?
You say, and so I'm gonna pray, I'm gonna close eye over food long, you know.
Father, I just want to give you thanks.
If I close eye, I think now I'm going to have food like last week.
You're now going at this your food at this way. I'm sorry.
Then I close my
I
eye.
don't trust you. Alright. I watched you take out my food last week. So, Father, I just want to give you thanks for able to provide this meal.
I'm not going to playing.
If me never know, say that you're not going to do it. To know you. Chicken with chicken eat it up. Yeah, try to tell me now, say, and me cook the food. No?
No. The long thing we talk about.
No.
Let me tell you what I say when
Bless this food, Father.
What?
Me not trust you. Alright.
Bless food
Alright.
something there.
Alright, start eat.
Me say when you shut my hair, thank Lord and bless the hands. The hands will prepare it and provide it.
And you thank the Lord.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank the Lord and bless the hand.
Yeah. That me say when I see me go so.
Me pray already, me just want.
I'm close, I will open here, your plate can empty.
Me know. Me bless the food already, me just want to see how you would react on this night. Me know, say, I see you that will react.
Test my plate.
Yeah, spread your legs out.
Get up in this, you know?
Huh?
Get up in this.
Come on, get up in that.
This.
Okay, guys, so we're having fried dumpling. Let's move my cup. Fried dumpling and okay, saltfish with avocado.
I'm not sure about that.
Why? Why?
I'm too hungry for that. So what now?
You go. You eat another? Mama used to say when you eat and talk. Bite your tongue.
You have about this on my now. Yeah, and then I eat it.
Enough time.
So where's that when I bite the tongue?
Ball.
Ball and bite the tongue.
Just ball.
After you bite the tongue?
Yeah.
So we did do a cast of a bite the tongue.
Yeah, no.
You don't know? I think you do it deliberately.
You can want attention.
And so you just spoil.
Really?
Still spoil now. You still spoil out now.
Me spoil? What I mean?
You spoil
Me spoil?
You spoil.
What do you mean by that?
You get everything what you want.
Oh, well, yeah, me talk on the video, say, One time gone, you used to do anything when me ask you for love. Nowadays you question it sometimes. And so I say, no, come on.
Okay, I take advantage of me. No, I take advantage of the situation. I'm gonna put that grip on it. Next thing you want me to take off my clothes and climb on a maca tree and then wear it.
Oh, check it. You have to close and climb up a tree. What am I going to do?
I'm gonna put a stop it to it.
You're too much. Maca tree.
And a little bit of ackee wave and it was ackee in your plate.
That's not true, babe. I see my ackee done. I need more ackee.
Next time, when you cook, you give me especially ackee and callaloo and cabbage. You need to hold it more than go, okay?
Why? When I cook it cabbage, I cook it in a bungo. But when I buy the ackee,
No business on how much you cook, how much the quantity. You need 2 times the amount that you take. Okay?
can't get that because you know ackee, I thin we buy ackee.
Your business, if I want you to cook,
I have to cook 17 ackee.
one thing I you cook,
I forget you
and the
for
amount
that.
in your plate, you forget 2 times the amount of ackee.
Okay. You do that.
If you don't do that, I don't want none.
Remember your word, you know. Remember your word.
If I don't want none can't eat, you know. It's a war.
What? What you say to me? So I never know all of that all along.
It's not too late, but I don't know.
All along, I never knew that.
You have to make some food rules and law, you know.
Never know, sir. You did that for afraid of you, I'm afraid of you. I am never know, sir. I'm afraid of your speech. After all this years. You can't cook if you don't get double time when I eat.
No, the ackee matter. Ackee, callaloo, or cabbage.
Either one.
No, I don't care about the food time.
You tell me I don't the food night. Hello, that's my towel.
I told them it. See, I go like that. Okay, you see how I was with it. So that the face on the dust. Okay.
Food nice.
Huh.
Food nice.
I think my head shut.
You realize that I go back in your food right there? You don't watch the video yet. I go back in your food.
When did I do it?
That took out bread.
Well, you want different from mine. Can I take out your one right hand and your nose? And then I shut. My body turn.
It's just over there's a boy that took out bread. I just get down in your position.
You should have closed your eye or whatever. You open it. She got the out that gone. You couldn't blame me.
Wow. You know, you're evil.
They will have kept me to do it, but I'm not following.
They will control you. More and more active.
You know itself.
An iPad.
You could just eat the recycle. You feel them say the first time. If she recycle, it's not happy for me.
No fucking iPad enough in there. Everybody can get. You think you're easy? It's so nice on cream pitting.
That's where picnic comes from. So like craving big man.
Big man normally is on cream.
I'm not so like picnic.
So big man normally is on cream.
Like one family member with me.
How that know?
The man don't worry about meat kind, you know. More rice. Belly full, yeah. Enough food, enough.
Belly full them wow. When you look at fitness stuff, where that thing say you that grow it out. Look at them, I don't want no more dumpling. Need a full.
But you must know one no more. Take 10 dumpling. You must left back.
How much dumpling me eat?
9. The one you left back.
No, eat 9 dumpling, babe. Stop. Bedroom up on
So
me.
you 10.
No, eat 9 dumpling.
Well, they are not looking at my place, you know. That's what I'm saying.
Belly full.
Right, take some out here.
Belly full.
Come on, you get 2 levels to take some.
You not catch me. Too know you. Nothing's broken. Nothing is broken. Oh, no.
My God.
Wow. Wow.
The phone.
Look at that ceiling. You gotta get big.
You just spread out some. Like tapalin.
You hear that bell there? Big. Like one of yours.
Yeah, learn. I catch a trader. Sure you don't want to cry, okay?
No, I don't want any belly full.
You use Sprite, you know. Don't use Sprite. If you want to take it, there are chances. If you don't take it, no, you don't get it again. Alright, that's it. I'm not hear nothing more about this later. Or you didn't want it. That's it.
Why you turn off the AC for, babe? All you see there.
What?
You turn off the AC. You turn it off. Can you save on electricity? Yeah, save on electricity.
Voilà, I'm trying to have AC.
Already cold. Which one of them?
You say, man, no?
Determined.
No, really, no.
You're not sure which one?
I don't know what I'm trying to have.
Down here, cola still.
I just saw the touches. Hey. Back in the days when I used to, the Sunday, I used to follow my mother to work. Sunday evening, after dinner, mother cook dinner, really whatever. Me used to follow my mother to work and help her work. You know the atrium? Factory? Big old building. At the bank, I think at NCB controller building there, like at the main office. Much in the floor. We are known there all night, at even time.
You tell me that. You tell me.
They used to beg me, so I don't could ever touch nothing. Because she afraid in a big building there, you know. Yeah, big old building there, you know.
Although, you know, nobody not in there now, you know.
Yeah, sometimes we go up on
Echo.
Sometimes we go up on some floor and we hurry up and find the switch. If you go so I take cool off and find the switch, it's like girl want run out. And she had the mother, you know, and she afraid, you know, man. Remember, I used to touch, you know, man. Turn on something, man. Mother want run, you know, man.
Oh, well, you was in time there?
Yeah, it is probably about.
About 9, 10.
About 9, 10, so. I said the thing, no matter what she want to tell me, so I have to try out this. Try out a little thing. That me turn on something she can't turn them off, and me can't turn them off. Run she want to run, you know.
Go in the lane.
So I stay up till now, and I just love flick switch and, you know?
Take over you can't manage.
Can't manage now. Back then, I couldn't manage. Anything I take up now, I can't manage.
I just rode. You did road. You're grown now.
And I know that it's concerned with the cancer about everything.
You did road.
If you want to call it road, you call it so, but them time in my head, concerned. I just want to know what I'm going.
And you tell me say you did road.
Yeah. But, you know that the big building there when I see all the switch and this and that and all of them something. We just want to know, when they can flick this, what happen? When they do that, what happen?
I'm going to still carry a follow my car.
When they can do this, what happen? I mean, say help her work. She used to clean the building for work, for tomorrow morning. People come for work. Yeah. I used to help her. Up here, they call it housekeeping.
Right.
Let me just come here about housekeeping and so what? Housekeeping and them keep the house. Yes.
Because they don't use them term there, yard.
No. We call it, we used to call it a yard. Cleaning job.
Just
or,
cleaning.
Well, we don't know about janitor. Janitor are like a more than just cleaning. Janitor kind of different.
Janitor, I never know what janitor.
And I'm mostly man the janitor work.
Like cleaning hospital and him something. Or
Janitor are part of cleaning, but I guess they have more responsibility, like, I don't know, I guess.
Guys, which prayer you like to pray when you're eating food? What are your different prayers that you do when you're going to bed at night? Do you have a different prayer? When you're going to eat food, what are your prayers? When you wake up in the morning, do you pray a prayer that is already there, or do you make up a prayer for yourself? Leave it in the description below. Okay? Do you make up your prayer? Do you pray from your heart, or you just pray a prayer that you already know? When you're eating your food, when you're going to your bed at night, when you wake up in the morning, whichever. If you're praying for somebody, how do you talk to God about that? Because that was something I used to struggle with. Not anymore. I talk to my God the way I talk to you, just like how I'm talking to you. Heavenly Father, I appreciate you. I love you. I adore you. As I bow down before you. Father God, I just want to give you thanks for waking me up this morning. And I love you. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. Alright, guys, so today I have something planned, right? And I wanted to tell me in the comment section one thing and if I did good or what. Happy Sunday, guys. Alright, so as you know, on a Sunday, I normally do my little vlogging, right? Because that's the time me and Obi get to have breakfast on a Sunday because we're so busy, the schedule are crazy. We try to make that family moment on a Sunday morning, and which is Sunday morning, afternoon, whichever, because sometimes we wake up so late. So I gonna do my breakfast now and get it ready. Hey, my beautiful people, what's going on? I'm just kidding. Happy Sunday, guys.